Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the HAEDAL staked SUI token. Ticker symbol is HASUI. Now this token is actually trending number 1 and number 5 right now on DEX screener in the SUI section. We're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is from HAEDAL Protocol. You can see their Twitter right in the corner of the screen here, at HAEDAL Protocol. Real easy to find that. 518 tweets. Blue verified check mark. It says the ultimate place to stake and earn on SUI. Backed by, and then it has a whole bunch of very popular companies there, like Animoca Brands, KCEX, Ventures, etc. Has a link to their webpage. haedal.xyz, and they have 253,900 Twitter followers. So this is a very popular token here. And in their pinned tweet, it says the final pre-TGE event of HAEDAL is here, and that was over February 19th. So it says HAEDAL is live on KCEX Cryptopedia, with a total bonus of 1 million USDT in HAEDAL tokens up for grabs. So they have this KCEX wallet announcement that you could check out in their pinned tweet there. They talk about Bybit Web3 here. They reposted some tweets about HAEDAL from Bybit Web3. So all these big companies basically are tweeting about this token here, and they're reposting it and all sorts of stuff. So it says haSUI yield trading PT plus YT plus add liquidity incentive plan. There's a tweet about that you could check out. And their webpage, if you go over there, you're going to find Medium articles, launch the application, Discord, staking section. They have a Telegram, all sorts of links you could check out. Now, it says they are audited by MoveBit and OtterSec. If you want to check out their full audits there, that's obviously a good idea. If you want to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store SUI tokens. So you could use a MetaMask wallet. You could use a SUIET wallet. I think there's one just called a SUI wallet that you could use as well. And there is a big pool here, $32.1 million worth of tokens in liquidity in CETUS, CETUS. So you could download any one of those wallets that I just mentioned from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with SUI. Now you could fund your wallet with SUI from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with SUI, go into the dApps, find CETUS, and then you would trade your SUI for the HASUI token using the contract address you could find on their webpage, haedal.xyz. Now, they have here a market cap of $22.4 million right now. $1.4 million in 24-hour trading volume just today. Like I said, it's very popular, trending 1 and 5 on the SUI section on DEX screener. They've had over 11,000 transactions just today. Token price, $2.23 US per token. Now, it's not a new token or anything like that. It came out 1 year, 6 months, 7 days ago. That's when the pair was created on CETUS. So it's not a brand new token, but it's still just a very huge project. And you can find their block explorer on DEX Screener. It'll take you over to suiscan.xyz. On DEX Screener, you can see all the charts and price and see how the token's doing and all that type of stuff there. They have a little quick audit here as well by Quick Intel Security. It says no honeypot, no mintable tokens. I mean, this project has been out for a long time. Now, if you want to read more in depth about this project, I recommend you check out all of their Medium articles. Their most recent one here is called HAEDAL, HAE3, Rebuilding the Glory of LSD and DAO. So they have a decentralized autonomous organization like governance where basically you could vote on proposals and decide which direction you think the project should go. Now there's 9 decimal places on this token. There is a max total supply of 26,147,364.1 tokens. And they have 330,277 holders. So like I said, huge, popular project. And yeah, so it says unleash liquidity and amplify yields. Stake SUI, get HASUI to participate in DeFi activities on SUI with yield-bearing liquidity. Why HAEDAL liquid staking? Well, it's easy staking. One-click liquid staking. Spread your stake across multiple validators with just a single click. Also, no lockups. Easily unlock your staked assets without going through long waiting periods. High DeFi yields. Use HASUI to earn additional DeFi yields while enjoying the underlying SUI staking rewards. So how does HAEDAL work? Step 1, stake the SUI on HAEDAL. Step 2, receive HASUI, get liquid staking token and earn rewards. And then step 3, participate in decentralized finance. Use HASUI to flexibly access various DeFi applications on the SUI blockchain. Now this token, it says, is backed by Hash, 3 Ventures, Scallop, CETUS, D-Whales Capital, Flow Traders, etc. And they have frequently asked questions like what is HAEDAL, what is HASUI, where can I use HASUI? It says HASUI will be deeply integrated throughout the entire SUI ecosystem. It will be usable across decentralized exchanges, lending protocols, stablecoin protocols, NFT marketplaces, and more. The goal of HAEDAL is to have as many integrations for HASUI as SUI itself. And then there's how do I get my staking rewards. There's a contact email. Check it all out. haedal.xyz. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.